Hello students, now we are going to complete vocabulary and grammar portion from chapter number 12, Clean India Mission. Vocabulary. Replace the underlined words and phrases in the passage with suitable words from the box. तो यहाँ पर box में कुछ words दिए हैं. Let's see. Biodegradable waste, then dump, hazard, rack pickers, segregation, toxicity and treated. There is a need for separation. Separation means segregation of waste at the household level in order to eradicate the homogeneous problem of poison. Poison के लिए alternative word है toxicity. At the main garbage collection area. Main garbage collection area को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? Dump area. Correct. तो so यहाँ पर लिखना है dump. In many cities, little children aged between 5 and 15 are seen separating waste for a living. The children who gather and segregate waste, उन लोगों को क्या कहते हैं? Rack picker. Are deprived not only of childhood but also are exposed to horrific dangers. Dangers मतलब hazards, including infections and diseases. To combat the problem of waste, people could segregate waste that can be decomposed by nature, मतलब biodegradable waste, from the ones that cannot be decomposed, such as plastics and synthetic materials. The former category waste can be used as manure on decomposition, while the latter can be processed. Process मतलब treated, मतलब जो biodegraded नहीं रहते हैं उनको कुछ special treatment दी जाती है in special plants designed for the same purpose. Then next portion is grammar. Modals. Modals are also a type of helping verb. और ये किस लिए यूज़ किए जाते हैं? To express ability, possibility, permission और obligation. And some modals are can, could, may, might, must, shall and should. A. Choose the correct modals and fill in the blanks. First, may I come in? Second, it might rain today. Third, I can speak English fluently. Fourth, Sarah could play the sitar when she was younger. Fifth, when shall we go for a coffee? Sixth, when will you go for the musical? Seventh, the guest should be here in a minute. Sixth, passengers must fasten their seat belts. Then B. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate modals. First, people should not throw waste on the roads. Second, the government must introduce a fine for littering. Third, we can inculcate good habits of cleanliness and sanitation. Then fourth, people must be educated about the dangers of using fields for defecation. Then fifth, following the examples of Versova beach cleanup, other beaches will get a makeover. Then sixth, rack pickers will fall ill more often than other people because of the hazards they are exposed to. Then seventh, waste management must be done in every household so that it is easy to segregate waste. Eighth, in Muddukarai, the Green Friends can segregate waste quickly because they get help from all the residents. Then C. In addition to their function of showing obligation, possibility or permission, the modals could, might and would are also used as the past tense of can, may and will respectively. Replace the modals in these sentences with their past tense form and rewrite the sentences. वहाँ मेरे यहाँ पर सिर्फ आपको आंसर लिख कर दिया है, सेंटेंस आपको पूरा लिखना है. फर्स्ट, दे मे लिव आफ्टर द कॉन्सर्ट. हम लोग क्या रखेंगे यहाँ पर? दे माइट लिव आफ्टर द कॉन्सर्ट. देन सेकेंड, विल ही लाइक टू बी इंटरव्यूड अबाउट हिज वर्क? वुड ही लाइक टू बी इंटरव्यूड अबाउट हिज वर्क? थर्ड, she may have visited her grandparents last week. Make a past tense and might. She might have visited her grandparents last week. Fourth, we can meet the prime minister at the conference. तो ये कैसे होगा sentence? We could meet the prime minister at the conference. Then fifth, they will be happy to meet the delegates from Australia. they would be happy to meet the delegates from Australia.